Hello all, let us see how to solve this particular problem. So basically a TTL based circuit has been provided where the gain of each NPN transistor is given as 100 and what is given is basically the base emitter voltage in active region, that means VBE. So example, if you take this is base collector emitter. So if this transistor is in active region, so the VBE plus minus VBE is given as 0.7 volts for an active region. Okay, now VBE is equal to 0.75 for saturation region. Okay, so here what is given is the sink current is provided as 1 milliamp and the output is given as logic 0. V0 is nothing but 0. So we have to calculate the IR current. So one has to understand that when the output is 0, that means high or low, the switch is either driven into the saturation, whether it is on or it could be off condition or cutoff condition. So now before solving this, another point which we have to remember is basically we do not know any parameter here. So it is difficult that we solve the problem from the input, but as the output is already given as 0 volts. 0 volts means this transistor is in on condition. That means this is in saturation. So if this is in saturation, as this is base, this is emitter, this is plus minus, VBE is 0.75 volt. Okay, so in this scenario, if you take a Kirchhoff's law here, apply Kirchhoff's law, minus VBE plus IR into 1K is equal to 0, right? Because the current is in this direction, this is plus, this is minus. So VBE is nothing but IR into 1K. We know the value of VBE, right? In saturation state, it is given as 0.75. So IR is nothing but, if you take this is milli, 0.75 milliamps. So the current that is flowing into this resistor for a given condition of output 0 and considering the transistor is in saturation, the current is 0.75 milliamps.